Hello students, good morning everyone. Shri Guruve Namaha. Sukhi Bhava. I teach about carpentry tools, about the uses also. Okay. Now you watching all the tools. See here one by one. Here totally 35 tools is here. Now is for only basic tools, hand tools only, not a power tools. Okay. This all see, observe everything one by one. You watch. Is all the tools here. Now I introduction from first tool, 2 feet 4 fold wooden rule. 2 feet 4 fold wooden rule you use for only measuring old measurement tape. This is for full only inches. This is for only for inches only, not other measurement in millimeter or centimeter. Next, this after is introduction for steel tape. This is for steel tape. Here first one here inches under the millimeter or centimeter. This you are using now only. This is for steel tape. Okay. Next, third item, divider. You using divider in one side pencil, one side point. Here both side is point. This adjustable also is here. Spring is here. Whatever size you need, that particular size you put draw. Okay. You understand? This is for divider. Wings divider is calling. Next one, this one, inside caliper. Inside caliper, this measurement is circle. This circle, inside circle, you know, that inside circle measuring. Inside circle measuring. Use பண்றதுக்கு இது யூஸ் ஆகும். Inside circle எல்லாம் measurement பண்றதுக்கு இது யூஸ் ஆகும். Okay, you understand? This is for inside caliper. Divider and inside caliper same only. Is divider is short, this inside caliper little curve. That's it. Two different. Another one, outside caliper. This used for outside circle measuring. Here outside circle measuring. This time outside circle is here. This measurement you take easily. Now how do you take the measurement is very difficult. That you use that tool, outside caliper. Next, marking pin. Marking pin. Marking pin you use to wood marking. You using wood marking only. You already note you using on pencil. Here different. You using on marking pin. Only for marking pin you draw in wood. You see that here whatever marking is easily is came. You see very deep marking also is coming. That only you using marking pin. Another one, marking knife. This one marking knife is very deep and carving work. This one is see the curve V type is there. That point you do in point or flat also. That only you using that pencil, marker, sketch, all different. No, that type. This is for marking pin. This is for marking knife. Okay. Next one, plumb bob. Plumb bob using for is stage. How do you stage? You check. That is, this is for plumb bob. This only plumb bob. You plumb bob using before that you check this square. This square and this circle same measurement. First you check, then you use. First you check this square and this circle same measurement is there, means you use that only correct pakka straight line it came. Vertical no, only horizontal only. Sorry, horizontal no, vertical only. You check this here. This one straight or cross, that checking. This class only I about 10 tools only I teach him. Next class I teach other 10 tools. Okay, thank you.